pumpkin chocolate chip mini muffins in this cute little pan. And I've never made these before, so this could turn out bad, but we'll see. This is my sister Campbell. She's going to be making them with us. And this is my friend Hannah's recipe, so thank you, Hannah. First, I'm going to wash my hands and then we'll get started. Okay, something that I always do whenever I bake or cook is use like a grocery sack to put trash in, so then it's just all in one trash thing and I can just toss it out. So I'm going to do that. These are all the ingredients. Good old chocolate chips, flour. Oh, I'm going to make them gluten-free. That could be bad too. I'm going to link the recipe below, so if you want to make these, do it. Preheat the oven to 350. Fill the muffin tin with paper liners. I'm not going to use liners because we don't have them. I'm just going to use nonstick spray to do it. Also today, if you can't see this, probably not because it's not there yet, I hit my head with the car door. It's really a good day, but it's fine. Stir together sugar and oil. 3 cups of sugar, that's a lot of sugar. But I think it says that this is supposed to make 3.5 dozen muffins. But since I'm making mini, it'll make like probably a lot more. But probably what I'm gonna do is put the rest of the mix in the refrigerator. One cup of vegetable oil and 3 cups of sugar. I don't know if I can use 3 cups of sugar, it's so much. I just use like half of the sugar thing, so I'm gonna be really sugary after eating these. It's fine. Hannah told me that these are the best muffins ever, so I'm gonna trust her. Let's do this. So I know that pumpkin is a very fall flavor, but I love pumpkin flavored things, especially pumpkin chocolate chip, because I think it's so good. This is what it looks like, if you can see that. Looks like snow ice cream if you've ever made that before. Stir in the eggs and pumpkin. So it calls for 4 eggs and then like 1 can of pumpkin. I should have used a bigger bowl, so if you make this, use a bigger bowl or do half the recipe. I'm gonna do the whole one because I can deliver these to like my grandparents. Don't worry, we just dropped things off on their porch, Lysol them and run so that we do not spread anything, because even though we're not going out, you never know. Oh my gosh, a fly just flew in. This is going good. Took us 8 years to find the can opener, but here we are. 1 can of pumpkin. I'm weak. Why does it twist so weird way? I love pumpkin. Yummy. Feels like I'm scooping Halloween into a jar, a bowl. Three and a half cups of flour. We're using the cup for cup gluten-free flour. 2 teaspoons of salt. The camera died, so we're back. We already mixed the dry ingredients in this bowl, and that was nutmeg, pumpkin pie spice. I substituted the pumpkin pie spice for allspice because I didn't have it, and I've substituted before and it was fine. Baking powder, cloves, and cinnamon. So now we're gonna add the pumpkin into the flour, and then you like alternate adding the pumpkin and the water into the dry mix. Here we go. My little brother's in the background. Come say hi. I think it's 2/3 a cup of water. These are like my favorite chocolate chips. They're mini, semi-sweet, and they're like dairy-free, all that good free stuff. I keep flinging it everywhere. Oops. We probably added, this was probably like 1 cup, but I think we're adding a little bit more. It's probably gonna end up being around 2. Now we're gonna scoop it into the little baby muffin tins, and I think we're gonna have way too much for the baby ones. So I'm probably also gonna grease this pan and do big muffins too. I like to call them muffies because I think it's cuter than the word muffins. I just finished filling it with the batter, and I'm about to put them in the oven for, there's my puppy, Milo. Hello, he just wants food. He's so cute, he's a golden doodle. The recipe says to do them for 20 minutes, but since I'm doing mini ones, I'm just gonna do them for like 5 and then see how it goes. And then we're also filling the big ones. So I will see you when they're done. Okay, we probably ended up baking them for 10 minutes. They're looking beautiful. So I'm gonna pull them out, let them cool, eat them. I don't know why. These look beautiful. Are y'all excited to try the muffins? He's growing his hair out. There's my mom. Mom! Mom!
Oh, they're doughy!
Mom.
What?
There's our mom!
Love it.
Oh, no, it's okay. How did you feel about the muffins?
I'm just kidding, they were good. Mom, okay, this is... Mom, you gotta be somewhat real. That was real. That was really real. Is that a barking spider I hear?
This is a good muffin. These are the large oh, it's foggy. I made it foggy. These I cooked for 20 minutes. Overall, I would say this was a 10 out of 10 experience. Would recommend these muffins for anyone. They're not like super strong pumpkin, which I think is nice because I'm not like I like pumpkin a lot, but not like super strong, and so they turned out really good. Like I said, we made a dozen big ones, a bunch of little ones, and then these are finishing up. It's some more small ones, so keep in mind you could definitely have the recipe. I'm gonna link the recipe down below. Please subscribe. If not, don't be offended because it's not that exciting, but you know, just giving people something to watch and do during quarantine. Stay safe. I'm getting a call. Bye.